Planning a move from Mississauga to Pickering and trying to figure out how much movers will cost? Since this is a local move within Ontario, the final price usually depends on your home size, how much you're moving, the services you need, and how easy it is for the movers to access both locations. In this video, we'll break down what affects the cost of moving from Mississauga to Pickering, what price range to expect, and how to plan the move without last-minute surprises. A Mississauga to Pickering move is typically considered a same province local or intra-provincial move. According to 3 movers, the average cost can range from $500 to $1,500 for a 1-bedroom apartment, while a 3-bedroom house may cost around $1,500 to $3,500. The final price depends on distance, volume of belongings, extra services, and the moving company you choose. So before you book movers, it helps to understand what actually drives the price. The biggest factor is usually how much you're moving. A 1-bedroom apartment with basic furniture, boxes, and a few appliances will usually take less time and truck space than a full 3-bedroom home with garage items, patio furniture, office equipment, and heavy pieces. The more items you have, the more time movers need for loading, transportation, and unloading. Packing can also affect the total cost. If you pack everything yourself, your moving crew can focus mostly on loading and transportation. But if you want full-service movers to handle packing, wrapping, loading, transport, unloading, and unpacking, that adds labor and material. 3 Movers explains that full-service movers can manage the entire moving process, from packing to unpacking, which can be helpful if you want a more hands-off moving experience. Access can make a big difference on moving day. Stairs, elevators, long hallways, condo loading rules, narrow streets, or limited truck parking can all add time. And with local moves, more time usually means a higher total cost. Before moving day, reserve elevators, confirm building rules, clear walkways, and make sure the moving truck has a legal place to park. Some items need extra care. Large appliances, pianos, oversized furniture, fragile artwork, glass tables, and office equipment may require extra padding, disassembly, special handling, or a larger crew. If you have specialty items, mention them during the quote process so the movers can plan properly. It's smart to compare quotes from multiple moving companies, but don't choose based on price alone. 3 Movers notes that cheap movers may offer lower prices up front, but quality, reliability, equipment, and insurance coverage should also be considered. A good quote should explain what's included, what may cost extra, and how the final price is calculated. The best way to get an accurate price is to request a quote based on your actual inventory, moving date, pickup and delivery access, and service needs. If you're moving from Mississauga to Pickering, visit 3 Movers to compare options and request a moving estimate.